Hello, this video is going to demonstrate how to build a simple notification flow so that you can learn the basic fundamentals of using Okta workflows. Here I am in the admin console, and in the left-hand navigation, I'm going to expand the workflows section to get to the workflows console. Clicking on the workflows console takes me to this console where I have the main navigation at the top and a list of folders to the left-hand column. I'm going to click on this bright blue New Flow button. This opens up the Workflows Designer. A flow is a series of cards that run from the left to the right, and all flows start with an event. I'm going to click on the Add Event, and I'm going to start this flow with a schedule. I will click Save on this flow schedule module, and now I have a card that is a scheduled flow card with the outputs of a current time and an execution ID. Next, I can choose to make the next card an app action or a function. I'm going to go with a function first, and I'm going to choose specifically the compose function. So now I have this compose card, and in the compose card, I'm going to type a message. Hello world, the time is, and I will leave the rest of that blank for now. Next, I'm going to choose an app action, and here is my list of apps, connectors for Okta workflows. I'm going to search for the Gmail connector because I want to send an email. Here under the list of actions I can take under Gmail, I can find Send Email. So now I have a Send Email Gmail card. I'm going to go ahead and connect this card. Clicking Create brings up an account selector in Gmail, and then I will grant it permissions. Now I have the Gmail card ready to be configured. So next I'm going to use the drag and drop capabilities for Workflows Designer. I'm going to drag the current time into the compose card, and now I'm going to drag the output of this compose card as an input of this send email with Gmail card. I'm going to drag it into the body section here. Now I'm going to make the subject header "It worked," and I'm typing this in manually. I'm also going to type in manually the email I'm sending it to, which is going to be to myself. Okay, it's all set. I'm going to go ahead and save this flow. I will call it the Hello World flow. All right, now that the flow has been saved, I want to test this flow to make sure that it works. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this test button. I flipped over to the flow history section, and I can see that all these cards successfully ran. But just to make sure, I'm going to go over to my Gmail account client, and there in my inbox is an email saying it worked. Clicking on that, I see the body, hello world, the time is, and there's the date stamp. Congratulations, you have just built your first notification flow.